your girl Sin.
And I'm Ariel.
So today we're coming at you live with a new video.
She said live. It's pretty.
You know what I mean. Okay, so we're coming at you with a new video. So we had a little debate where we're trying to figure out which puff is like the ultimate puff.
The low puff.
The high puff or the double puffs.
Yes.
So we basically decided to do a little experiment type of thing.
You know, test tubes, Bunsen bras, the whole works.
I don't know if that one's so very nice. Basically, we decided to do this little experiment. We're gonna judge the puffs in 4 different categories.
Yes, the categories are which one is the easiest to do, which one takes the shortest time, which one frames your face the best, and which one we think is the easiest to maintain.
So if you guys want to watch us, just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. So we're starting with the high puff. Let's go.
So we just finished doing the high puff.
Yeah. Actually, I really like how it turned out.
Same.
Yeah.
I don't know how big man has gotten.
Yeah.
I haven't done a high puff in like maybe 3 months.
In years.
I took about 6 minutes.
I took 5 minutes.
Yeah. So pretty short.
Yeah.
Shorter than usual. Maybe because we're kind of getting used to our hair.
Yeah. And with regards to how it frames my face, I love the way it frames my face. I like it a lot. What do you feel?
I think I look a little bit more innocent with my hair like this.
Yeah.
Which is not the look I tried to go for because I'm already like 2 feet tall.
So you look kind of young.
Yeah, I look way too young to have this hairstyle.
I feel it. This was pretty easy to do. It didn't take that much time, so.
And to maintain, since my scrunchie is just on my head, it's not like pinned down or anything. It's quite comfortable. I can just wrap around my hair or edges or whatever and go to sleep.
Yeah.
But I won't do that. I'll just go to sleep.
Yeah, with regards to the easiest to maintain part, as long as my edges aren't showing, I'm good because I don't really lay my edges. So because my hair is grown, so it's long enough to the point where it hides my edges. So it's I'm good with this. It's easy to maintain. I can just wrap my head, go to sleep, wake up, and it's the same. So I really like this one.
You're too excited.
Way too excited.
We just did the high puff. We're about to do the double puff. Let's go.
I don't like this.
We look like 2 idiots, 2 big idiots.
Wow. I feel like I look like 2. My hair is not puffing at all. It's just hanging. It's too long to do the puff thing, and it's weird. I don't like it at all.
Anyway, the categories.
Yeah.
The time it took to get it done, I took about 4.5 minutes.
Yeah, almost 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And it wasn't that easy to do. It wasn't as easy as the high puff. It wasn't terribly difficult, but
my hair was already basically detangled, so it wasn't difficult for me to do it.
Mine wasn't, so it was. I just used my fingers. I didn't use a comb because I don't use combs in my hair. And I don't like it. Easy to maintain.
I don't know.
I actually don't know. I've never worn this hairstyle.
I've never done this hairstyle. This is my first time ever parting my hair down the middle.
I don't know if you could. I don't know what you guys think. Like, let us know what you guys think. But
I don't know
like
if this
it.
burns my face either. It's just, I look like two. Overall, this one is a no.
Yeah.
It's a no.
It's a no. It's not a vibe.
This ain't it, sis.
Nah. Okay, so now we're gonna do the low puff.
My fave, because this one is. Let's go. Bro. We just did the low puff.
Yep.
How are you feeling?
I really like this. I don't know.
Same.
Like, it turned out way better than I thought it would, but I don't know. I really like it. She went for bundles. I don't think that's cheating, but it's fine.
Listen, if I'm gonna do my hair in a low bun or a low puff, this is how I do it. I need the bundles. The bundle. Yeah.
Like, it took way too long because I have a lot of hair, so I had to like split my hair in half and try and like lay down everything to get my hair this flat. Was no.
My
it takes way too long.
My hair, I have like fine hair, but like a lot of hair. So as long as it's like wet or already like stretched, it doesn't take that long. I think I took about maybe 10 minutes because she took forever and I had to like stop. And then I decided to go for the bundle.
She went for her bundles, came back, and I still was not finished.
Still didn't finish.
I was trying to lay them edges. That's also the other thing. I have to like lay my edges when I do a low puff, so it's like that's just like it's a lot, you know.
I never lay my edges. I usually just slip them all the way back. I recently like tried to do a little.
I feel it. Yeah. Giving me like a Vogue type of moment, like Caliente.
Wow. Okay. Time took me about 10 minutes, I would say.
Yeah, it took me 15 minutes.
It's way too long.
Way too
Easy
long.
to maintain, yes, because I usually just take the scrunchies out and put like a bigger scrunchie headband thing just on my hair and just leave it out, and the front usually stays slicked down as you saw at the beginning of the video.
Easy to maintain. Yeah, I just tie my hair down and then put a bonnet to like cover the puff itself, and then wake up and like if it needs to be like rejudged or refreshed or whatever, then I'll just like spray it in my hair or something. But it's okay.
Yeah,
it's not that hard.
like low level. So this one was like medium easy to do.
Yeah, it was hard just to like get my hair flat enough, because like with the high puff I feel like I can just like put my hair up on the go. Like this is like a struggle. Like I have to actually like comb my hair, which is it's 2018.
You're always shouting.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, and the winner is
the low puff,
the high puff.
Burns my face like 10 out of 10. Bundles 10 out of 10. I usually don't like a middle part either, but I started doing it with this and it feels so nice.
Actually, like it. For me, I think my favorite would definitely be the high puff, just because of like ease, and like I like how high puffs look like with like big hoop earrings. I like how the low puff looks as well, but I don't know, the high puff is just like way easier. I can just wake up, spritz my hair, and just tie my hair and put it up.
Yeah, she basically showered a while ago to do her.
Yeah. Okay, guys, definitely comment down below which hairstyle on us do you think was your favorite, and which one you think we should do the most. And definitely let us know which puff is your favorite puff.
Let me know if you guys got them bundles.
Yeah, if you gotta whip the bundles out and the logos, because I feel you. Sorry. Thanks guys for tuning in.
We'll see you guys next video. That made me uncomfortable.